Hi, friends, and welcome to Economics Day 11. Today we're going to be talking about global trade. Our central question, what we really want to know, why do people around the world trade for goods and services? How do a country's resources affect what they trade? We'll learn what those words mean as we go through the next couple of days. First, let's review. Last week we talked about supply, which is the amount of something available to customers, and demand, how much consumers want something. Well, sometimes countries need goods or services that they don't have. They don't have a supply of those. When that happens, they import. Import means to buy goods or services from another country. When you're importing, you're bringing something in. For example, Maria's shirt was imported from Honduras. It was brought from the country Honduras to the United States. Export's the opposite of import. When you export, you are selling your goods or services to another country. Think exit when you hear export. For example, corn is grown in the United States and then sold to Mexico. Let's watch a video to learn a little bit more about imports and exports.
When it comes to the goods we all need to live, countries depend on one another. The United States cannot produce all the things Americans need, so it depends on imports from other countries. For example, South America is known for growing fruits and vegetables for countries around the world. The United States imports some of those fruits and vegetables so that we can eat fresh food all year round. Another example is technology. The United States doesn't have enough space for all the factories needed to make the computers and cell phones that we use every day. So a lot of our technology is imported from Asia. They have many factories there and they supply us with what we need. What about the United States helping other countries? When the United States sends its goods to other countries, that is called exporting. The United States is the world's largest automotive export. Not only do we manufacture a lot of cars, we also manufacture the parts for them. We also export airplanes and helicopters and even spacecraft. The top countries we trade with are Canada, Mexico, China, Japan, and Germany. We both export and import goods to and from these countries nearly every day.
So this is what the United States imports and exports. Things in green are imports. That means we're getting them from another country. So we get a lot of our electronics from countries like China and Japan. We get fish and fruit from countries in South America. We get cars from Mexico, and we get oil from Canada. Exports are things that we are sending out. They are exiting the country because we are selling them to other countries. So we sell cars to Canada. We also sell machinery to Mexico, gold and metals to the United Kingdom and England, and aircraft and spacecraft all the way to Australia. Remember, our central question is why do people around the world trade for goods and services, and how do a country's resources affect what they trade? To help us think about that, we are going to do our assignment. Today's assignment is to go back to Google Classroom and complete the imports-exports. Let's look at that now. Imports and exports. Make sure you type your name. What you need to do for this assignment is find 5 items in your house. They can be clothing, food, electronics, or more. Record their names and what countries they are from. For example, I wrote down printer ink, and the country that it was from is Malaysia. Some of your items might have more than one country. In that case, you can write down more than one. For example, on clothes, you might see the country right here. It says made in China. You can also see it on food. Sometimes it says country of origin. That just means where it's from. In this case, this salmon is from Canada. We're going to use your findings to help us learn a little bit more on Thursday. Can't wait to see your work, second graders!